Alright, what is going on, everyone? So in this video we're going to talk about how to make a free ebook, right, for a lead magnet. So just to let you know what a lead magnet is, it's pretty much like a little bribe you give to people like that kind of discover you through whatever it means, whether it's organic or free or paid traffic, and you kind of bribe them with like something like an ebook or a free course in order to get their contact information. It could be like their email, it could be their telephone number, whatever it is, right? So it's kind of like a bit of a bribe. So one way, of course, you could do it, and so many people do this, is creating an ebook. I actually tried this out, bribing people with an ebook back in the day, and it worked very well. Personally, I don't make my own ebooks. Reason why is I hate doing it. It's dreadful for me. I prefer making videos. I prefer, recording and talking over typing up a book. So, but like for those people who prefer that other method of making an ebook, feel free to do so. It's still a very powerful tool to kind of give away, in order to get somebody's email and telephone number. So now another thing, just to let you know, you do want to write quality. Obviously, you don't want to write kind of a BS type of deal, but you don't want to make just to let you know, you don't want to make the ebook too long, and you kind of want to make it straight to the point. And it doesn't have to be this like high, not say, I don't, it sounds bad, not this high quality, but you want to like kind of like make it brief. The reason why is that you kind of want to get their attention fast, and also like it's their email, right? So they're not, giving away your email is not that big of a deal. It's because let's say you get an email and you start getting spam, you just create a new one, right? So that's kind of at least how most people, at least that's how I feel about my email, right? So now we're going to go through. So when you go to Canva, right, Canva does have like a free trial, and then it has this, if you upgrade, you get they're paid, right? Now, of course, we're going to go with free because that's the title of the video. So it is a little bit limiting, don't get me wrong. The thing is, when it comes to free, just to let you know, you are spending your time, right? So if you want to create an ebook really fast, you can easily go to Fiverr. I'll actually make a video about that and have somebody to design the ebook for you. You would have to pay somebody to write the content, then somebody else write then make the ebook for you. I mean, make the designs and stuff like that. But if you don't, if you don't have the money, the funds, and you're starting out, of course you want to start for free. And what you can do is actually go here and see what, pick your options. So I already picked out one for us. Actually, this one's actually pretty good too. So just in case you're into yoga, right? So it's what you want to look for, just to let you know, because I can show you. So you have all these templates, all these covers, right, that you can edit and change to the way you want to. But this one right here, so I like this one because it gives you, some of the free ones actually is pretty good, because look right here. If you, like, let's say you're doing your niche is yoga, they give you a setup for like 5 pages, like already designed. You don't have to go through it and do your own. Of course, you can edit this to what you want to. Again, this isn't like, let's say, easy. This does take time, of course, but if you're doing the free method, the thing is that you will be kind of sacrificing your time instead of money. So this is another one I like. I'm gonna show you right now. So when you go through Canva, right, you're gonna see free. So when you see just free, is just the cover, right? But we have this right here where it says 1 out of 4. You're gonna get 4 pages, which is pretty cool. Let's see. That's the one I have right now, is snack. So right here, if you want, you can actually remove this picture. You could actually just copy this, right? So if, let's say you're doing a recipe. Oh shoot. Templates. There we go. So let's say you're doing a recipe book, right? You could use this, right, for your cover. Then edit this, chapter 1, blah blah blah, chapter 2, blah blah blah, chapter 3, and then you could have right here your cover for chapter 1. Unfortunately they don't let you change this picture, but you can change it if you want to, right? But you kind of get the idea of the design, and then you go right here. Where are you? Then you could change this up. Like, let's say you have some sort of ingredients, you add the what do you call it? You add the picture, and that's pretty much it, right? So that's what's pretty cool about Canva. Again, it is free, so you are going to be taking some time. I recommend when it comes to ebook, don't go too crazy on like making, like, don't make a 300-page ebook just for lead. One, yeah, one is a lot. Two, nobody's gonna read it. Like, it's gonna be too overwhelming. You kind of want to make an ebook that's short to the point. I would say 20 pages max, right? And if they're like big letters, it should take you like maybe a day or two to write it. But it depends. Like, if you're starting out, I highly recommend using Canva. Reason why is that they do give you tools for free to try it out. If you want to try their paid membership, I made a video reviewing Canva, right? But you always want to do monthly. Just word advice: anytime, do monthly. Don't do yearly, because you don't know if you're gonna be using this for, especially if you're just trying it out. If you're gonna be using it for a long time, then sure. But if you want to get their pro, you can just pay $12 a month. It's not that big of a deal. But that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward and to the point. Use your templates, and then what you want to do is just simply just add pages, and then you add your content right here. You add your designs. If you want to have, right here, you can upload images. This is me holding an apple cider vinegar bottle for a thumbnail. That looks so good. Okay. Sorry. You could use, upload your photos and design it the way you want to. But that is, it's pretty simple, pretty straight to the point. That's all, right? So back, so just a recap of the video. Just, go to Canva, search ebook covers, find the one you like, right? And use that. I would recommend to find one that says right here. There aren't too many of them. That says 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4, right? Because those are the ones you can use. I would recommend, because they give you more than just a cover. They give you multiple pages for you to kind of like copy and etc. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Of course, like and subscribe. And I am done. Thank you very much for watching. I am out.